I grabbed my Insta360H Pro 2 and mic gear, and the camera was completely dead. Every time I turned it on, trying to see why it wasn't going on or just shutting down. It had a red battery, dead as a doornail. So here I am with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the DJI Mi2 Black. And yeah, I shot video. Oh man, it was all super nice just about. I realized that when I was on top, I changed over to video mode. Not 1 ounce of trouble, sure. When I was in the car, started up and the Bluetooth started, this mic and the car didn't like one another. So thinking that just the receiver and the Bluetooth mic, no, it's the camera and the Bluetooth as well. Is it the Pentax 1100 with the 1000 optical zoom? I think that's what I want to go get. I just up to the third gear. I'm riding comfortable. Today's a beautiful day for a bike ride with the Cannondale Adventure 2. I'm forgetting about camera angles. When I did my video about oil change, man, I forgot to take the photo or the video and put it where I took the pan down. Man, like I said in the video, I can't do it all. Well, as I ride along out on a beautiful day, yes indeed. Don't want to crash. The wind caught me off balance just a little. Looks like they got some work going on back there, cleaning up. What are they going to be doing over here? But if you look deep in there, there's a tent, and somebody sleeps over there. Let's head down to the RC field. I see some planes flying in the air right now. Planes up ahead, helicopters right in front, and a full carload. The old sports club 4-foot wing getting ready to go out. Almost looks like a Radiant by the wings. And it came in for a landing. And there he goes. Off he goes up. Got a second one going on now. Normally it's one at a time. He's already doing flips. Barrel rolls, that is. He's gonna go follow right after him. As long as they keep in line, they do just fine. Pretty close to the curb. He's coming in already. Using a whole field to land. And the other one landing too. Nope, he bluffed. We're gonna watch the heli take off in a few. Getting ready to set up. There he goes. Got the rotor of the tail. Here we go. Starting up. That is sick. This is like the first time I ever seen this place busy in all my life. That was sick, that helicopter. It sure was. I had a blast of an afternoon. Got to watch some planes fly, a helicopter fly that I haven't seen in a long time. Fly. Yeah, and there were flies flying. So yeah, DJI did a good job filming today. Hope you enjoyed what I shared to show you. Showed some. No Joe coming to me right now, but I gotta go really meet up with Joe a little later. And on that note, take care of some beeswax. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on another awesome moment. Have a good one. I'm Fish. Time for me to go work on my intro once again.